Very happy good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Am I correct, children? Yes. Children, this week we are going to learn Unit 2. The prose name is Bala Spins Magic. What is the topic? Bala Spins Magic. Children, listen carefully and learn the lesson. Okay, children? Come, let us learn the lesson Bala Spins Magic. Children, now let us learn the lesson Bala Spins Magic. What is the name of the lesson, children? Bala Spins Magic. Okay, come. Now let us get into the lesson. It was a hot afternoon in the quiet village of Periyanagamam near Pollachi. Where is the village located, children? Near Pollachi. The village has tiled roof houses. What house? Roof houses. Bala and his family lived in one such house. That means Bala and his family also lived in a roof house. He sat under a tree. Who? Bala. Bala sat under a tree, waiting for his father. He was going with Appa on a long journey. Bala was waiting for his father under a tree. A fly buzzed near his ear because he was sitting under a tree, there. The pleasant shade of the tree, along with the steady click-clack of the hand looms from the huts nearby made him feel sleepy, because Bala heard the sound of hand looms, click clack like that. He wondered if he would catch some sleep before Appa arrived. That means he started to take a rest by sleeping. Bala, like most of the children in his village, went to school. But always Bala wanted to learn more about things related to their family profession, weaving. Bala's family profession is weaving. Veera Tata had made math easy for Bala by using skeins of yarn in bunches. What is the name of Bala's Tata? Veera Tata. What is the name of Bala's grandfather? Veera Tata. Sometimes adding all the blue skeins and subtracting the yellow skeins and then doubling the reds and taking away the greens. Bala thought this was a fun way to learn math. Bala's family came from a long line of handloom weavers. Already I told you, children, Bala's family, the occupation of Bala's family is weaving. They had perfected the art of drawing, dyeing, wrapping, and weaving the yarn. But it was a hard work. Unless Bala, his mother, father, sisters, and cousins helped with the work, Appa could not never weave the lengths he needed. That means the whole family helps Bala's father to do his work. Bala would often see Appa and Amma weave bundles of cotton into beautiful saris with checks or patterns. Bala would often see Appa and Amma weave bundles of cotton into beautiful saris with checks or patterns. He hoped to weave someday. Who? Bala. Bala hoped to weave someday. He would also help Amma and sisters roll, press, and pack the saris. Who helped Amma and sisters? Bala. Bala would also help Amma, sisters, for what? To roll, press, and pack the saris. Bala wondered, Amma, why you never wear the beautiful saris we make? Amma said, I can do that only if we become a very rich family. That means Bala's mother only used to weave the saris. He is not wearing the saris. So that Bala asked her mother, why you never wear the beautiful saris we make? She said, that means Bala's mother said, I can do that only if we become a very rich family. The conversation was taken place in his dream. Bala woke up suddenly as he felt someone tap his head. Are you ready to go? Asked Appa. Who called him? His father. Are you ready to go? Asked Appa. Yes, Appa, said Bala, and started counting the bags around him. He was waiting to go for a long journey with his father, no? That is. Bala was going with Appa to Chennai to help him carry the saris. Where was going with Appa? Chennai. Bala was going with Appa to Chennai to help him carry the saris. Appa said, we will get a better price for the saris if we sell directly to the ladies in Chennai than to traders in Pollachi or Coimbatore. Bala's father said, Bala, we will get the better price for the saris, better than to traders in Pollachi or Coimbatore. They walked to the bus stop and had to wait for nearly 1 hour for the bus. Both, that means Bala and his father, walked to the bus stop and had to wait for nearly 1 hour for the bus. It took them to Coimbatore Junction, and from there they left in a train to Chennai. First they went to Coimbatore Junction, and from there they left in a train to Chennai. The train journey was not very comfortable. Don't worry, Bala. Our return will be more comfortable as we will be able to reserve tickets. The train journey was not very comfortable. So, Bala's father said, Bala, don't worry, Bala. Our return will be more comfortable as we will be able to reserve tickets, said Appa. They reached Chennai and went to Purasaivakkam, where Appa's friend lived. Both, that means Bala and his father, went to Purasaivakkam, where Appa's friend lived. The next morning, Appa was ready with places to visit to sell the saris. The next morning, Appa was ready with places to visit to sell the saris. Bala could not read the big instructions in the signboard and hence held his father tightly. Soon they reached a big house. Bala and his father reached a big house after what seemed like many hours. The guard at the door let them in. They reached the big house and the guard at the door let them in. They sat in a big hall and unpacked the saris. They sat in the big hall and unpacked the saris. Bala and his father sat in a big hall and unpacked the saris. A young boy saw them and called out saying, "Mom, there is a man with 2 bundles to meet you." A young boy saw them and called out saying, "Mom, there is a man with 2 bundles to meet you." Appa was showing the sari to the auntie and trying to sell it to her. They came to sell the saris only, no? So Bala's father was showing the sari to the auntie and trying to sell it to her. He made each sari special and unique. Bala's father. He made each sari sound special and unique. He even dropped the sari over him to show the design. When we go to textiles, they show they open and show the saris, no? Likewise, he dropped the saris over him to show the design. Soon the other boy asked, "Mom, can I ask the boy to come and play with me?" Because the small boy Bala was sitting here with his father, no? So that the boy asked his mother, "Mom, can I ask the boy to come and play with me?" She gave permission to play with him. "What is your name?" asked the boy. Periyanagam Balakumaran said Bala. So Bala asked him, "What's yours?" He replied, "I am Nitin." What is that? He said that he is Nitin. Nitin's room was full of toys. Nitin's room was full of toys. Nitin let Bala play with all the toys. Nitin and Bala became friends. So Nitin let Bala play with all the toys. Most toys had some electrical control. Usually you have electrical toys, no? Likewise, the boy Nitin had electrical control toys. Since Bala's home does not have electricity, so that he did not know to play with most of the toys. Nitin gave permission to play with all the toys. Most of the toys had some electrical control. He doesn't know who. Bala doesn't know to play with the electrical toys because Bala's home does not have electricity, so he doesn't know how to play with electrical toys. In one corner, Bala saw a spinning wheel. In that room, one corner, Bala saw a spinning wheel. Now, this was a toy he knew to play with. Already I told you, the room had many toys. Some of the toys had electrical control. Bala did not know how to play with it because his house does not have electricity. But in that room, there was a spinning wheel. He knew that. Bala knew how to play with it. Do you know what to do with it? I don't know to play with it, said Nitin. Bala saw the spinning wheel. Nitin asked him, do you know what to do with it? I don't know to play with it. Nitin thought that the spinning wheel is a playing things. That means a toy, like it's like a toy. He thought that we can play using the spinning wheel. So that he asked Bala, do you know what to do with it? I don't know to play with it. So Bala said him, this is Ratai. What is that? This is Ratai. Do you have some cotton? Bala asked Nitin, do you have some cotton? Nitin said, I don't have. Nitin said, I don't have. Bala opened Appa's bag to get some cotton. That means Bala got some cotton from his bag. Bala took the cotton and attached it to the spinning wheel. Bala took the cotton and attached it to the spinning wheel and turned the wheel all the while. You can do magic, shouted Nitin. Can you teach me? Nitin thought that he can do magic. So Nitin asked Bala, can you teach me? So Bala started to teach him how to spin wheel. Bala had a wide smile across his face because he learnt how to spin the wheel. Nitin struggled but soon learned to spin. Bala taught him to spin, no? So he had a wide smile across his face. Soon they stepped out. Appa had sold many saris to the auntie. Appa has told many saris to the auntie. Mom, he taught me magic, said Nitin. What did Nitin say? Mom, he taught me magic. Auntie laughed and said, well, naturally, his father is a magician too. A weaving magician. Yes, I will tell all my friends in school that a magician from Periyanagamam taught me this magic. Children, now let us learn the glossary, otherwise the meanings of the lesson. The first one. What is the first one? Weave. What is that? Weave. Formed by interlacing long threads. Formed by interlacing long threads. Weave means what is that? Formed by interlacing long threads. Next one. Subtract. Subtract. What is that? Subtract. The meaning for subtract is take away from another to calculate difference. Take away from another to calculate difference. Third one, wrap. What is that? Wrap. The meaning for wrap is twist out of shape. Wrap means twist out of shape. Fourth one, uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means causing physical pain. Causing physical pain. Last one, tripe. What is that? Tripe. Arrange loosely. Arrange loosely. Once again from the beginning, weave. The meaning for weave is formed by interlacing long threads. Next one, subtract. Take away from another to calculate difference. Number 3, wrap. Twist out of shape. Number 4, uncomfortable. Causing physical pain. Causing physical pain. Last one, tripe. Arrange loosely. What is that? Arrange loosely. Children, now let us learn fill in the blanks. What we are going to learn? Fill in the blanks. First one. Appa weaves beautiful saris with dash. What is the question? Appa weaves beautiful saris with dash. When I was teaching the lesson, I told you, no? Who helps Appa? The families helps. What is the answer? The families helps. That means mother, Bala, sisters and brothers. That means the family members helps Appa. So the answer is the families helps. Appa weaves beautiful saris with the families help. Number 2. Dash had made math easy for Bala. Dash had made math easy for Bala. Veera Tata. What is the answer? Veera Tata. V-E-E-R-A, Veera. T-H-E-Ta, T-H-E-Ta, Tata. Veera Tata had made math easy for Bala. Number 3. Nitin had many dash toys. Nitin had many dash toys. What toys? Can you guess? What will be the answer? Electric. What is that? Electric toys. E-L-E-C-T, elect. R-I-C, rick, electric. Nitin had many electric toys. Once again, I read, children. Nitin had many electric toys. Nitin had many electric toys. Number 4. What is that? Number 4. Bala's home does not have dash. Bala's home does not have dash. What does not have? Electricity. Bala's home does not have electricity. E-L-E-C-T, elect. R-I-R, electric. C-I-T-Y, city, electricity. Bala's home does not have electricity. Once again, I read, children. Bala's home does not have electricity. Last one, number 5. Nitin's mom said that Bala's father is a dash magician. Nitin's mother said that Bala's father is a dash magician. What is the answer, children? Weaving. What is that? Weaving. W-E-A-V-V-I-N-G, wing. Weaving. So the answer, weaving magician. Nitin's mom said that Bala's father is a weaving magician. Weaving magician. From the beginning, Appa weaves beautiful sarees with the family's help. Appa weaves beautiful sarees with the family's help. Number 2. Veera Tata had made math easy for Bala. Veera Tata had made math easy for Bala. Number 3. Nitin had many electric toys. Nitin had many electric toys. Number 4. Bala's home does not have electricity. Bala's home does not have electricity. Number 5. Nitin's mom said that Bala's father is a weaving magician. Nitin's mom said that Bala's father is a weaving magician. Okay, children, fill in the blanks is over. Now, let us move on to the question and answer. What we are going to learn, ma? Now we are going to learn question and answer. There are 5 question and answer. The first one. What did Bala want to learn? What did Bala want to learn? Bala wanted to learn weaving. Bala wanted to learn weaving. Shall we read the spelling for the question and answer, children? W-H-A-T, what? D-I-D, did. What did? Bala. B-A-Ba-L-A, la. Bala. Want. W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. What did Bala want to learn? The answer. Bala. B-A-L-A Bala, wanted. W-A-N-T, want. E-D, ed, wanted. T-O-2, learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. Weaving, W-E-A-V, V-I-N-G, wing, weaving. Bala wanted to learn weaving. What did Bala want to learn? Bala wanted to learn weaving. Shall we move on to the second one, children? Second question. How did Bala help Amma and sisters? How did Bala help Amma and sisters? Bala helped Amma and sisters to roll, press and pack saris. Bala helped Amma and sisters to roll, press and pack saris. H-O-W, how. D-I-D, did. How did. B-A-L-A, Bala. H-E-L-P, help. A-M-M-A, ma, amma. And S-I-S-S, T-E-R-S, sisters. How did Bala help Amma and sisters? Answer. B-A-L-A, Bala. H-E-L-P-E-D, helped. Bala helped Amma. A-M-M-A, ma, amma. A-N-D, and. S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters. Bala helped Amma and sisters. T-O-2, R-O-L-L, roll. P-R-E-S-S, press. A-N-D, and. P-A-C-K, pack. Saris, S-A-R-E-E-S, saris. Bala helped Amma and sisters to roll, press and pack saris. Number 3. Why did Bala go to Chennai with his father? Why did Bala go to Chennai with his father? The answer. Bala went to Chennai with his father to sell saris. Bala went to Chennai with his father to sell saris. Spelling for the question. W-H-Y-Y. D-I-D, did. Y, did. B-A-L-A, Bala. G-O, go. T-O-2. Why did Bala go to Chennai? C-H-E-N, N-A-I-N-I, Chennai. W-I-T-H with H-I-S-S. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, their father. Why did Bala go to Chennai with his father? Answer. Bala, B-A-L-A, Bala. W-E-N-T, went. T-O-2, C-H-E-N, N-A-I-N-I, Chennai. W-I-T-H with H-I-S-S. F-A-T-H-E-R, their father. Bala went to Chennai with his father. T-O-2, S-E-L-E-L-L, sell. Saris, S-S-R-E-E-S, saris. Bala went to Chennai with his father to sell saris. The key answer is to sell saris. Why did Bala go to Chennai with his father? Bala went to Chennai with his father to sell saris. Number 4. What did Bala teach Nitin? What did Bala teach Nitin? The answer. Bala taught Nitin to spin ratai. What did Bala teach Nitin? Bala taught Nitin to spin ratai. W-H-A-T, what? D-I-D, did. What did? B-A-L-A, Bala. What did Bala teach? T-E-A-C-H, teach. What did Bala teach? Nitin, N-I-T-H, nith. IN in Nitin. What did Bala teach Nitin? Bala taught Nitin to spin ratai. BALA Bala TAUCHT TAUGHT taught. Bala taught Nitin NITHIN Nitin TO2 SPIN spin ratai RAT rat TAI ratai. Bala taught Nitin to spin ratai. What did Bala teach Nitin? Bala taught Nitin to spin ratai. Fifth one. What would you like to learn in school? Why? This answer is your choice. I am giving my choice, not my choice, a general choice I'll give you, okay? The answer, I would like to learn drawing in school because I want to become a creative artist. Okay, children, this answer up to your choice, okay? I would like to learn drawing in school because I want to become a creative artist. Okay, children, shall we learn from the beginning? What did Bala want to learn? What did Bala want to learn? Bala wanted to learn weaving. What did Bala want to learn? Bala wanted to learn weaving. Number 2. How did Bala help Amma and sisters? Bala helped Amma and sisters to roll, press and pack saris. Why did Bala go to Chennai with his father? Bala went to Chennai with his father to sell saris. What did Bala teach Nitin? Bala taught Nitin to spin ratai. What would you like to learn in school? Why? I would like to learn drawing in school because I want to become a creative artist. Okay, children, thank you. I hope that you would have understood the lesson. Thank you, children. God bless you.